Hey everyone, I'm back with this 2014 Seat Alhambra 2-litre TDI DSG 177 bhp. It is the Euro 5 model, being a 2014. It's finished in deep black, got black leather, 88,000 miles, 10 services, 2 DSG services, cam belt in the history. A properly well looked after car. Very nice condition. Rides on the 18-inch alloys. Minimal stone chipping to the front. Bit of polish there the lads have missed. Unmarked 18-inch. I want to say Acura wheels, but I might be wrong. I can't remember. Anyway, very clean and straight down the body. Got your rear privacy glass, got the roof rails, got pan roof, power tailgate, power sliding doors. The SC Lux is fully loaded. Some small marks on top of the boot, bumper from loading. But not worth painting the bumper, I don't think. One of them plastic lips on there for eBay for a tenner will make that look nice. Other than that, the car is beautiful. Not your typical abused MPV. Well, you can see that for yourself. Just look at the shine. Look how good the paint is. As I say, there are no dings or anything like that, look. Just super clean. All the tyres are good. History's fantastic. Power sliding doors. See if I do the right side. There we go, look at that. Nifty. Power tailgate as well. If it will, press the button. There we go, look at that. All very nice and clean inside. Of course, it is a 7-seat model. Your load cover there as well. Obviously, your load cover doesn't remain there when you've got your rear seat passengers, but you can see there the condition is excellent. There are no funny smells or anything like that. 3 full-size chairs in the middle with Isofix in all 3. Family pack with tables and your rear climate control. Storage in the floor. These flip up, literally as simple as that for your rear seat passengers to get in and out. Rear blinds as well. You may or may not be able to see that, but that little tab there on top of the door is rear privacy blinds. In the front, we've got electric driver's seat, again with minimal wear. Folding mirrors, electric windows, auto lights and wipers. Paddle shift on the steering wheel. Just there. Cruise control just there, look. 88,415 miles. Clock's an hour out. So we've got 0 fuel, we'll get some in it, and it will tell you to do a service. It's booked in this week to be done. But other than that, there are no warnings, and just the 88,000 miles. Dual climate control in the front with working aircon and heated front seats. You can control the rear from here as well, look, but I've got it all synced. All your buttons for your sliding doors, your boot, traction control, start stop just there, look. Gear shift and centre console is all in fantastic condition with the auto hold electronic handbrake. Media device interface MDI in the armrest. We have got a very loud stereo, apologies for that, but we've got DAB. Of course, you've got AM, FM. Let me see if I can get this to load up. So you've got MDI, Bluetooth audio, auxiliary, and SD card and CD inputs. Bluetooth audio, navigation. That's us there, just off Meadow Lane in Loughborough. And then you can flick through some of the settings on the car if you wish. Do do believe we've got reverse cam, but don't quote me yet. There you go, reverse camera as well, all working. Storage up top, auto dipping rear view mirror with auto main beam. Let me see if I can show you that down here. So put the lights on, and there you go, you see that little A with the main beam sign. That's automatic high beam. Pan roof, all working as it should. I won't bore you with that going all the way back, but it all works, and when that's shut, we've got working sun blind as well. There you go. Sunglasses holder. Glove box which can be chilled in the summer there, look. And that is that. Another really nice example of Alhambra. These things don't usually hang around, so don't hesitate too much. If you do want to come and have a look at it, give us a call on 01509 267 111. And if you're thinking about financing the vehicle, we may be able to assist you with that too. We work with a number of lenders and brokers to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.